Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of the shares and dividend. These are ML Aurora books I.C.S.E. class 10 exercise number 3. So three sums are already written here 23, 25 and 26. You have the idea about the shares and dividend market value, nominal value, dividend percent return. All the conception is clear. No need for remembering any formula. Just concept and you just apply here. Suppose the first sum. What is the sum here? Suppose sum number 23 actually. A man invests this in 6% 100 rupees shares. That is, what is the meaning of this line? First, what is the information? So a man invests, that means the total investment. Total investment is rupees this. No problem. You just write down this. And in this share, the dividend percent is this 6%. A man rupees invests this in a 100 rupees share. That is the face value or nominal value. This is rupees 100. That is the information given rupees share at. This means the market value. Okay. This is the information. Is here. A man is invest this in a company. The dividend declared is 6%. The shares nominal value is this, but market value is this. Now the first thing is there. What is the number of share he purchased? That is a very important thing. So number of shares. Number of shares he purchased. He purchased. This is actually the investment is this. মানে এত টাকা দিয়ে কিনেছে rupees this, and per share is rupees 112. Okay, no problem. It's clear. That means if you cut it, this is the 90 shares, 90 numbers of shares. If you cut it, okay, it's clear. First thing, don't be panic to see any sums. Find his annual income. Annual income means the total dividend is collect. So what is the annual income? The dividend calculated of the total nominal value. That means you have invest actually in the company. Actually in the company, each and every share is 100. So total nominal value, this is 90 shares and this, and total income is 90 into 100. And what is the dividend rate? 6%. 6 by 100, this 54. That means this is actually total income. No problem. Or the total dividend. Find his annual income. Is okay. Very easy. No problem. Just a concept must be clear. Concept must be clear. Is clear to you? Now, income. When the share fall, this share, number of shares, fall to this, he sell out shares. মানে সবকটা শেয়ারকে সেল করে দিয়েছে। Now, new market value of shares. This is when the share fall, this rupees 96. Okay, he sell out share and invest the profit. What is the total selling price? Total selling price. That is number of shares is 90, and each and every share, that is the market value is 96. What is his collect from selling this? What is his collect from the selling it? So this is 8640. 8640. That means 96 into 90, that collects. That means he sell out these shares. This share. Select when the share fall is rupees 96, he sell out all the shares. So this actually, he sell out the share and invest the profit. Profit means this rupees. এই যে টাকাটা কালেক্ট করলো সেল করে, এই টাকাটা, that is reinvest actually. That we call the reinvest. This proceed in 10 rupees share. Now the new share in 10 rupees. That means dividend percent in new share 10%. 10 rupees share. That means the face value is 10 rupees 10. No problem. Share at 8. Market value. Market থেকে কিনছে rupees 8. Okay? Clear? No problem. তাহলে এই টাকাটা he sell out all the shares. He collect the money from the market. Then these are reinvest to the other shares. What the other shares? What is the given data? In that share, the dividend percent is 10. Face value is dividend percent is 10%. 10%, 10 rupees here. The face value is 10 and the market value is 8. That means you just collect each and every share from the market is 8. So what is the number of shares? Number of shares he purchased. So this is the investment 8640 by 8 because the market value is 8. Because the market value is 8. 1080. 1080. This is the number of shares. A new number of shares. New number of shares 8640 divided by 8. So this is the number of shares. But in the company, what is the total nominal value? Total NV, but company there. Actually, what is actual investment in the company? Company the each and every share is 10. 10 into this. This is the total nominal value. So dividend calculate on the total nominal value. That is actually the income. What is the dividend rate? Total dividend. Total dividend, that is 10 into 1080 and the dividend is 10%. 10 by 100. So this 100. So what is the actual income now? This is rupees 1080. That is the total dividend for the reinvestment of the money. Okay. Find the change is annual income. Find change is annual income. In last, what is his annual income? This is his annual income the previous year. Now you sell it, reinvest this company, the annual income is this. So what is the change? The change in annual income. This is now is 1080 minus this is previous 540. So actually this is this. This is the change in income. This is the change in income. Is clear? Clear? Very interesting sum. Just তোমাদের কনসেপ্টটা মাথায় রাখতে হবে কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে. There is no need for any formula. Just a very interesting thing. Shares and dividends is a very interesting, very conceptual based sums. Okay, is clear to you? What is his annual income? Previous income is this annually, and now the income is this. What is the change? Change is 1080 minus 540. Okay, clear? Now the next sum. We shift to the next sum. Clear? Okay, this is very interesting. This is very interesting sum. This type of sum in coming in the coming I.C.S.E. maths exam. Okay. Now the next sum. 25 sum number 25. A person invests this and buys certain 100 rupees shares at this. So total investment, same thing. Total investment is a person invests rupees 4368. Okay, and what is the given data? First you write and buys certain share. You don't know the share. By certain share 100 rupees share, face value or NV, nominal value. This is rupees 100. Very interesting. And at means the market value. Market value is 91. That means actually man invests this and purchase a share from the market when the market value is this. First one, what is the number of share he bought? Number of shares. Number of shares. That means rupees 4368 divided by this 91. So what is this? What is this? 48 number of shares. এই শেয়ারটা কিনেছে. Okay, but in the company actually goes this is clear? Now he sell out shares. What this? That means this. এই অ্যামাউন্টের শেয়ারটা সেল করে দিয়েছে when they reason to rupees 95. This is very important. What is the nominal value actually? 100. Okay, actually in case of the 100 is the nominal value. How many sell out? Rupees sell out 100 rupees. He sell out the shares of rupees these 2400 in the particular company or the face value this. Actually, what is the number of shares he sell? Number of shares sells. Number of shares sell. Actually, this 2400 by 100. That means 24 number of shares he sells. Actually, this is very important. This is very important. Clear? Actually, in the company, this is the 100 is the nominal value. From there is cut out 2400 sell out. That means what is the actual number of shares he risen? He sell out number of shares. Actually, 2400 is the amount, but the nominal value is 100. What is the number of shares he sell out? So 2400 by 124. Now the remaining share, how much? This is 48 minus 24. Still in hand at the number shares. Okay, is clear? Now, when he sell out the shares, rupees this, when they reason. What is the selling price? Total selling price, when this goes out. So, number of shares sell 24 into 95. When he sell it, this amount is collect. This amount is collect. So, this is 24 into 95. This is 2280. If we just multiply this, that is already here. Number of shares sales is 24, and they have risen this. He sell out the shares of this amount when they risen this. Actually, it's collect this. But what is the actual value of these shares? This 2400. But it said it is. Actual original value is 100 in the nominal value. He sell out when because he bought it this is rising 95. So sell out this share and is collect this. And the remaining in these and the remainder when they have fallen. So now collect. Now total sell value is, this is also 24 into, actually fall down 85. What is the collection? 24 into 85, 2040. 2 shares is. So now just remind. First one, invest this, buy certain 100 rupees share at this. That means what is the total number of share he actually bought? This is 48 numbers. Out of this, the amount 2400 amount is sell out. That means what is the number of shares? Actually 100 is the nominal value for that. So this divided by 100, he actually sell out 24 shares when the shares is rise 95. Okay. Then he collect this. Now what is the number of shares remaining still in hand? This is also 24, and this also sell down when this is the share is down at this 85. When this is reach 85, he sell out. So sell out this. The total collection, total sale, this is 2280 and 2040. It's clear. Now this is 0. This is the total collection. This is the total collection. That means he sell out all the shares. A person first invest this and bought some share when this is 91. But ultimately, they sell out all these shares and the total collection is this. But actually, what is his investment? This is his investment. So, find the gain or loss. So, 4368 is the investment. But ultimately, he sell out all the share in this. So, what is actually? This is the loss. So, loss is 4368 minus 4320. What is the loss? This is 8. This is 2. Rupees 48 actually the loss. Rupees 48 actually the loss. So in case of the shares and dividend, in case of the share investment, there is loss, there is gain. You have to risk factor is there when the share is, this is 91, but say he just calculate that share is rising in this way, then further it will be fall down. So 85, further fall down 70, 75, sell out this. That means the minimize their loss. Sell out for this, the minimize them. Actually, the loss is just 48. Okay. If you just down this 70, 60, loss is better. So for that reason, the decision making, which one, when you loss, when you just sell out this or purchase this is the basis on the conception, okay, on the share market. So actually the loss is this, okay. So this is the other type of sums, okay. Now the next sum is clear to you. Now the next sum. Now the next sum is clear. Now the next sum. So this is a very conceptual. Actually, shares and dividend repeatedly I say this is very conceptual. Okay. So decision making very interesting. Okay. Now the next sum. This is the last sum for today. Okay. What is this? A parts this one sum number 26. Sum number 26. By purchasing rupees 50 gas shares for rupees 80 each. That means by purchasing rupees nominal value rupees 50 gas share for rupees 80 each, market value. Rupees 80 means per share. Rupees 80 means per share. Okay. Clear? A man gets 4% profit on his investment. 4% profit. 4% profit on his investment. Okay, no problem. Investment. What rate percent is the company paying? That is the meaning. What rate percent company paying? That means actually the question is what is the dividend percent? Company paying means company ki there. Company dividend. So what is actually the find out the dividend percent that the company declare. For that, this is the question actually. If you one time the dividend is calculate, then what is the dividend? What is his dividend by share? Okay. Suppose he buy one share. So what is his investment? Actually 80. What is his investment? Actually 80. So what is the profit? Investment is 80 each share. So profit is 4% of rupees 80. That means 4 by 100 into 80. 4 by 100 into 80. 4 by 100 into 80. So this is cut. This is the profit. Actually, this profit is coming from the dividend. This is the income. This is the profit, and actually this is the income on the other side. But this is income is collect from these. Out of 50 is coming this. Out of 50. This 32 by 10 rupees is the income of rupees 50. Actually, you invest in a company is rupees 50. So on the basis, the dividend is this. So out of 100, so you collect 50 out of 50, your dividend is this 132 by 10 into 50, and out of 100 dividend percent actually you calculate this. This is 2. That means 62 to the 64 by 10. That means 6.4% is the dividend. That is the very important. Thing. Which one? What rate percent is the company paying? That means rate of percent company paying means the dividend. So 6.4% is the dividend. Clear? It is no problem. Clear? Now dividend percent is clear. What rate percent the company paying? 6.4% dividend paid by the company. Now, what is his dividend if he buys? If he buys 200 shares. Number of shares, shares rupees 200. What is the nominal value? What is the nominal value? So nominal value is 50. The total nominal value is this. Total nominal value is this. And dividend rate is this. So total dividend. This is 200 into 50 is the total nominal value and dividend percent is 6.4%. It's okay. Okay. So this is actually 2. So this is 100 into 6 by this. This 640. Is clear to you or not? 640 rupees 640 is a dividend. What is his dividend if he buys 200 share? 200 share. So nominal value is 50. What is the total nominal value in the company? 200 into 50. That means these rupees is actually in the company. Company dividend declare on the basis of the total nominal value. The total nominal value is this. Dividend rate is this. So company declare total dividends collect from the company is rupees 640. Is clear to you? Okay. So this is for today. If you just understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you.